China orders government officers to remove foreign computers. Report: China has ordered its government offices and public institutions to replace all foreign computer equipment and software within 3 years. The Financial Times reported. The directive comes amid China's attempt to increase reliance on domestic technologies, further fueled by China-US trade war. The report added that starting 2020, around 20 to 30 million pieces of hardware will have to be replaced. YouTube Rewind 2019 gets 4.5 million dislikes in less than 48 hours. YouTube Rewind 2019 has garnered more than 4.5 million dislikes within 48 hours of going live. In comparison, the video was liked around 2 million times. The video streaming platform had captioned the video. In 2018, "We made something you didn't like," referring to YouTube Rewind 2018, which is the platform's most disliked video ever with 17 million dislikes presently. Age doesn't matter. Apple CEO on meeting 84-year-old app developer. Apple CEO Tim Cook on Sunday posted pictures with 84-year-old app developer Masako Wakamiya and a young developer Hikari, whom he met in Japan. "Some of our imaginative developers prove that no matter your age, coding opens up new opportunities to follow your dreams," tweeted Cook. In 2017, Japan's Masako Wakamiya launched Hinadan, a game aimed at elderly users. "Our 4.4 crore customers are using leaked passwords." Microsoft has discovered that over 4.4 crore users of Azure and Microsoft Services accounts (MSA) are using leaked credentials to log into their accounts. The Microsoft Identity Threat Research Team checked over 300 crore credentials obtained from different breaches and found a match for over 4.4 crore user credentials. "We force a password reset for such accounts," Microsoft said.